I'm Dr. Victoria Wilson. I'm a clinical psychologist with a postgraduate degree in sex and family therapy. I have written a number of books, such as Anatomy of Pleasure and The 30-Day Sex Solution. My interest lies in human relationship, love, sex, and dating. The reason I'm particularly interested in the arena of love, sex, and dating is because that's where human happiness lies. We are, as human beings, are social human beings, and our greatest potential for self-growth and self-actualization lies through other relationships, through relationships with other people, our ability to communicate, to relate, and to maintain stable and healthy relatedness. I have appeared on numerous TV shows and had my own radio show called The Sex Connection on Sirius Satellite Radio. Currently, I have my own private practice at the Center for Positive Psychology. I particularly enjoy counseling couples because I find that the greatest strides and progress can be made in marital therapy. Indeed, sometimes I've seen that a single session can change the course of a relationship. I think one of the most important things to remember as a couple is that relationships are never effortless. People tell me all the time, this shouldn't be so much work. It should be much easier. Well, it is work. Just like staying in shape is work. You don't expect to never exercise and eat everything you want and look great. Relationship requires the same amount of effort. And the more effort you put in, the more attention, affection, and appreciation you show to your partner, the more likely you are to make it as a couple, and the more lasting and satisfying your relationship will be.